Hello and welcome to the NMSL and RHS. I am your host, Kinda Circle. Welcome back to the air compressor rebuild. Today we are repainting 2926's engineer side air compressor that we honed last week. Before we can pick up a brush and a can of paint, however, we must clean the air compressor of all dirt, lubricant, and rust, for this may cause the paint not to stick when we repaint the air compressor.
The wind sandblasted them for us. The surface of that one is wet. There you go. You got it. Your forks are in the right place now.
Now the air compressor is nice and clean, it's time to prep it to be repainted. We must first remove the old paint so it can be replaced with new paint, and also do a little bit more honing on a couple valves. That's actually everything. Now the air compressor has been stripped down to its bare steel, it's time to give it its brand new coat of paint, which will do more than just make it look good. It will also protect the air compressor from any rust or decaying over the next couple years.
Today is a painting day, not a...
Yeah, painting therapy.
Yeah.
I do actually find this somewhat therapeutic. Instantly, like, it looks like something happened.
Yeah. No, it really is amazing the power of a paint job.
Yeah.
Like,
You son of a bitch. I hope you're gonna be okay with the paint job in this here little cleavage
yeah.
to be not 100%, because there's just no way to get the brush in there.
No, it's
Choose
mostly
now.
sleep.
Well, it's not worth it to go pour more in another one.
No.
Because this is the last.
We're almost done, too. This is the last one. You can do it! Use your core strength, your wrist.
Look at that thing. Look at the cylinders. We missed a spot. A big spot in between.
We're not going to be able to do it.
Okay.
We've already discussed this.
Alright. I feel like it.
Hello, Boris. I love Boris.
Wasn't a good idea, though. You can tell we're all tired. Because we're all quietly whispering now.
I finally got hungry.
Same. I
The
finally
hunger-
stopped being hungry, which is kind of terrifying, but
Yeah, isn't that a fun feeling? when
No,
you're
it's
so-
weird,
I'm on
though.
my. Oh wait, that needs to be prepped. That hasn't been prepped yet. Okay, then start painting.
I knew it was about enough today. I'm actually starting to hate the smell of rust. This is a good spot.
Project we have to do. Would you move the cap?
I don't have to do it. I might because I like you, Steve, but I might come back because I like you. They really do. Oh, not my legs. Yes.
You said that already.
Of course, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, you may enjoy our next video, which will be on putting the air compressor back together. If you want to support the NMSL and RHS, go to our website at 2926.us, where you can donate or even become a member if you'd like. The link is also down in the description. My name is Kinda Circle. I was your host. and I'll see you next time.